Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to change or update your phone number on your Instagram account step by step. This is helpful if your old number is no longer active or you want to secure your account with a new number. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner. From here, tap on Settings and Activity. Now tap on Account Center. Inside Account Center, tap on Personal Details. Next, tap on Contact Info where your phone number is saved. Here, tap on Add New Contact. Select phone number from the options. Now enter the new phone number that you want to use. After entering the number, tap on Next to continue. Instagram will now send a verification code to your phone number. Check your messages and copy the OTP. Come back to Instagram and enter the verification code. Once verified, your new phone number will be added successfully. However, your old phone number may still be set as the primary number. To change this, tap on the old phone number. Now tap on Delete Phone Number. Read the warning message carefully. Then tap on Delete to confirm. After removing the old number, the new phone number will automatically become your primary contact on Instagram. This ensures you receive login codes and security alerts properly. That is how you can change your phone number on Instagram easily. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.